The dual excellence, financial performance on the one hand and environmental and social exemplarity on the other hand, forms the backbone of our strategy.
It is the one that drives us forward with both performance and purpose. My three keywords for 2022 are commitment, as individuals and as a collective, which makes the difference on a daily basis in stepping up to the challenges we are facing. Perseverance, to accelerate our efforts in tackling ever more pressing global issues. And courage, the one required to continue taking the necessary decisions and pursue our path of sustainable innovation.
I will say acceleration, not only with respect to the challenges we face, but also in terms of the transformations underway within the group. The agility demonstrated by employees in every field in adapting, adjusting, finding solutions, and reinventing the way we do things. And our responsibility as both a company and an employer. I am proud of the belief shared by everyone at L'Oréal that we can only grow if that growth is sustainable and responsible, which means actively involving everyone at the company. This commitment is the reason why we received the EcoVadis Platinum Award, which puts us among the top 1% of leading global companies in terms of environmental and social performance out of more than 100,000 companies included in the assessment. I am also proud of the way we have continued our impact investment strategy by creating the Circular Innovation Fund, which L'Oréal founded and in which we are the #1 investor, providing 50 million euros in financing. This is the first major investment fund a company has supported with a focus on circular solutions. Lastly, the L'Oréal for Youth program and the group's commitment to support young people and help them start a career also give me a real sense of achievement. I personally see this as not only a priority, but also a responsibility.
Beyond proud, I'm grateful to be responsible for sharing, carrying the vision of the group, which guides our teams on a daily basis in shaping a more sustainable future. I'm proud that the unwavering commitment and efforts of our employees were recognized again this year by a AAA rating from CDP. Thus, L'Oréal is the only company in the world to have achieved this score 7 years in a row. These independent recognitions and acknowledgements are important in the eyes of the public, as they are proof of our commitments and results achieved. This is something consumers cannot check themselves. So these distinctions function as a third-party guarantee of credibility and transparency. Overall, they convey the social and environmental leadership of the L'Oréal Group and encourage us to continue in our efforts and ensuring ongoing progress. These recognitions and acknowledgements also reflect the day-to-day engagement of all the teams involved in the sustainable transformation of the group.
They also provide tangible proof of performance for our individual shareholders and investors. One of the keys to L'Oréal's success is the power of our brands to meet beauty aspirations worldwide. We also have a balanced, sustainable growth model underpinned by powerful drivers through divisions, categories, and geographic zones. Innovation is a driving force and an integral part of our success, and stable governance enables a long-term strategic vision and a continuous ability to transform and adapt. And above all, we owe our success to our passionate people, to their commitment, and to their wide-ranging expertise.
I believe L'Oréal's strength in shaping a more sustainable future lies in involving our entire ecosystem in our transformation. Within the group itself, through our teams, our experts, and our executives who work daily to step up the sustainable innovation of our products. And also through our brands, through their commitment to social causes. But involving our entire ecosystem goes beyond our value chain. For instance, by informing our consumers so they can make more sustainable consumption choices through our environmental and social impact labeling system, which is already available in 27 countries and 8 brands. And by involving more than 60 stakeholders of the beauty sector in the Eco Beauty Score Consortium, which aims to adopt an industry-wide environmental impact assessment and scoring system for cosmetic products. Because it's only together that we can change behaviors and ensure a more sustainable consumption.